Talofa, and welcome back to my channel, families and friends. Welcome back to another video. It's nice to have you all here, and thank you for checking out my channel. I hope you are all safe within your bubbles, and that everyone stays safe and well. And I hope you all had a great Father's Day celebration yesterday. I want to say a big whawhitai tele lava for your love and support in watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, as well as sharing my videos. For all those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Senia To'omata Wha'amausili of the My Folk Journey. My channel is mostly talking about personal finances and more about sharing my experiences that I've learned throughout my debt-free journey and living a debt-free lifestyle. In this video, I would like to talk about how important it is to have fun while doing it. If you're on your debt-free journey, don't be too hard on yourself. Just remember to celebrate small wins along the way, because that will keep you going. So even though I've encouraged you to stay focused on your goal, and but at the same time have fun while doing it. At the start of my debt-free journey, we always have, a little treat for our family. Like as I said, that I was very strict on my budget when I first started, so I gotta make sure that within my shopping list, I gotta have a treat for my family. For us at the time, I would say like a block of chocolate. That will do us. I think the other thing that makes it even easier for us is, like, my family is just a simple family. We're not doing things big and things like that, but we do our own little celebrations and stuff. But yeah, that's what I want to encourage in this video, is to make sure to have fun while you're on your debt-free journey. You will eventually get there, but so it's good to have little treats every now and then, especially once you hit some numbers and you start making progress. Yeah, don't forget to celebrate. Have your own little celebration and stuff like that. The other thing that I want to encourage as well in this video is to be considerate of your own circle, le whaielo debt-free journey. Yeah, like for me, it's my family, family of 4, so I gotta take my husband's needs, as well as to be considerate of my kids' needs as well, because there's no such thing as we're gonna cut off everything. We can't do it like that. And I guess if you're looking at doing it that way, it might stresses you out and burn you out, because it is very rewarding to to have some treats along the way. So that's what I want to encourage in this video, is to be mindful of the people that you're doing your journey with. So yeah, it is very important to, because life is too short, we got to enjoy life as well, and at the same time we are focusing on that goal of being debt free. At the end of this video, I'm gonna insert some photos of our family trips that we went to while we're doing our debt-free journey. Our trip to Samoa in 2018, that's in the middle of our debt-free journey. We did able to save up a good amount of money to pay for that trip. So that trip was all paid for in cash, no credit cards involved, because I remember it was July of 2017. That was the last day ever I've ever used a credit card. And ever since then, I just work hard on doing my budget, with our income. And we both agree to build our savings up to $10,000. And once we reached that amount, we were thinking of to save that amount, put aside for our emergency while we're paying off debts. So in July of 2018, that was when our work had a 2 weeks break, and that's coincide with the school holidays of that year. So we did both agree to why not take a break and to go on a holiday to visit our families and friends in Samoa. So we did took that holiday. It's an amazing feeling knowing that we do it the right way. It was very nice to spend time with our loved ones back home, but at the same time it's that feeling that satisfied. It's that feeling of accomplishment, and we just had a great time there. We did book a 2 or 3 nights at a beach palace, and it was such an amazing feeling because we haven't done that before. But yeah, to us it's like going on that trip, spending time with family, but at the same time my circle, my family of 4, did manage to enjoy our intimate time together as a family, and it was such a joy and a feeling of accomplishment. We did it. Not only that, but we did it in the right way to do it. Instead of going loans on, instead of velele loan, or even spend credit cards on the trip. There was nothing like that. And then again in 2019, end of 2019, we went to Australia for the first time. It's my first time for my family to visit Australia, and it's my second time because my first time was my first time to Australia was my a work trip. And the reason why I come up with this idea in this video is just to show you how you can make it fun. And with the treats that you're planned for your family or plan for yourself if you're single, is do it in the affordable way. Do it in a way that you can afford. Don't go over and beyond out of your budget, because that's when you're gonna fall back into debt. So whatever money you have right there, if you agree to treat yourself, hey, by all means go for it, because life is too short. We gotta enjoy life as well. But again, at the same time, never lose focus on your goal, because once you achieve that goal of being debt free, I'm telling you, the sky's the limit with the options that's going to be presented in front of you. You get to make decisions that with your life. What changes do you want to what options you would like to undertake, or whatever you may have in your mind, you can do all that because you pay off your debts and you accomplish the goal that you've set for yourself. Hope you enjoy this video. These are some of the photos that we took on our trip to Samoa in 2018 while we're doing our debt-free journey, our Brisbane family holiday in 2019, and our little getaway at the beginning of this year to Dunedin. So all those trips was paid for in cash. There was no credit card. And by the way, we don't own credit card, period. We don't We don't own any credit card. And there is no way we can go back to credit cards, you know. All we do right now is to budget our money and, you know, do the things, work on our savings and things like that. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care and God bless you all. Talofa se for.
see you smile again. Watch your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin.